Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change model in ChatGPT Android. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is open up your ChatGPT application and make sure you've updated the app as well. So go to your Player App Store and update the app. Now, before I start, if you don't see the model selector, that's because some Android versions temporarily move or hide the selector. So if you update the app or restore it, you might see it again. And also free accounts generally do not have manual model switching. So ChatGPT automatically selects the appropriate model for you basically. But in order to change it, if you do see it, go ahead and open up ChatGPT and open up a new chat, and you might see it on the top left hand corner here. If you don't, go ahead and click on the two bars, click on your profile, and then under my ChatGPT or account, you will have the option to change model. So it's going to be in either of those two spots.